Hey, welcome back to Aurora's channel. Today I want to discuss about how to avoid anger. Let's take it out. Anger for human is something normal. Sometimes there are something that disturb us or make us uncomfort. Sometimes we need to be angry to show that we are not okay. But however, we should avoid our anger. But how? Here are how to avoid anger. Number 1. Think before you speak. You should do it. Use your brain, not your emotions. Think carefully. Maybe your words can hurt someone else or make everything become so worse. Number 2. Get some exercise. Whenever you feel that your anger escalating, you can do a physical activity. You can walk or run just for a while to reduce your anger. Number 3. Take a time out. A hard day sometimes makes us so stressful. A quiet time for a moment can help you to feel relaxed and better. Number 4. Identify possible solutions. Every problem has solutions. It's better if you can find solutions rather than you angry. Number 5. Use a humor to release tensions. It sounds so simple, but if you find your funny sides, it can reduce your anger. Just try it. Number 6. Practice relaxation skill. When you feel so bad in anger, try to sit down, practice deep breathing, and imagine relaxing scene. Also, you can listen to soft music. I believe that you can reduce your anger easily. However, we can control our anger in right way because we are human. Anger is not a solution, so I believe you can control your anger easily. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.